We know that opponent team have one more day to prepare the game and no need to make travel. But about the preparation, we just recover. We are playing many matches in short period time. Unfortunately, on this moment, we have many injuries on our squad. So means that the important thing on this moment is that the players can sleep well and make a good recovery. Of course, we want to have more time to can make a plan for this match because we know that opponent team have a good team and have a good players. So that's it. Our preparation is not what we want, but it's what we can do.
So coach, any update on injuries or suspension maybe?
Suspension, no, but we have many players injured. Key players, Harfan, Zaki, Yuran, young players, Adil, some players that are not 100% but are with us. But I believe that tomorrow they're going to try to do our best. But this is our reality. If we compare this team against us, they have more experience. We are the youngest team compete on Liga 1, on Premier League on Indonesia. We are the youngest. And if we're going to see, we don't have too much players with too much experience comparing with our next opponent. I see that they have many players, local players on Malaysia team, good players. Some of them cannot play last match because are loaned from Johor. I see also that they have national team players from Philippines, from Uzbekistan, so they are a good team. But tomorrow we are 11 and they're going to be 11. We're going to try to do our best.
Your expectation for tomorrow match, coach? Your expectation?
It's very difficult. It's going to be very difficult. I see this team. I saw many matches of them. I think when they lose here on the first game against Cambodia team, they have unlucky. I think they have many chances, but the times that Cambodia team go to the goal, shoot to the bar, score. Shoot to the post, score. Shoot to the goal, the goalkeeper catch the ball on front, score. So they have what, four opportunities, score 3 goals. So it's not easy. If tomorrow, if you want to have a good game against this team, we need to be focused in all the moments. So my expectation is this: first, to recover our players and try to be focused in all the moments. And when I say all the moments, is on the moment that we lose the ball and on the moment that we win the ball. On offensive transition, or defensive organization, offensive organization, and also set pieces. Because last games you are conceded many goals on set pieces. We hope that tomorrow our team can be more focused and try to avoid this kind of game.
Any player to watch from the Terengganu side, coach?
So can you repeat?
Any player to watch from the Terengganu side?
Any player?
Any player to watch from the Terengganu side?
I think they have very good players. Number 23, number 11, number 33, number 22 when he's playing also. But I cannot say 1 or 2 players. They have a good team. I think local players from this team are very good, and many of them are on national team. The goalkeeper also have caps, the central backs, and after they have foreign players with very good quality from Philippines, from Uzbekistan national team. So also the striker, number 9, have speed, good shoot. So we need to take care, not just with one player. We need to take care with everybody. But as I say before, it's important for us don't lose our focus, because last matches on the set pieces, some moments on the defensive transition, we lose our focus and we conceded goals that we cannot concede.
We know that, coach, as for now, PSM Makassar win a great job in Shopee Cup, as for now, 2 win and 1 draw. So do you think tomorrow for tomorrow match, draw is good enough for your team, or your aim is to get a 3 point?
Sorry, can you repeat? You think
draw is good enough for your team tomorrow, draw?
A draw? No. Who play to draw normally lose. So I not go to coach our team and I not go to say, hey guys, let's go to draw. No. If I go to say this, for sure we're going to lose. We're going to try to win the match. We know that is very difficult because opponent team have more time to prepare the match. No need to travel because we not just travel from Indonesia to here. Before we travel from Cambodia. And I don't know if you know, but we are just training on Makassar. We are playing in another island. So we are the travel team. We are 2 seasons without playing on Sulawesi. That is Makassar Island. So the players, it's travel. And we know that sometimes, because we don't have big squad, sometimes one day or the difference, the rest, can make the difference. On the second half, special last minutes, if we cannot, because we cannot change all the players. And sometimes, this time that the other team have to rest and not need travel, can make the difference on the speed, on the defensive transition, on the focus, because when we are tired, we lose our focus. And this, I think, was some mistakes that we get on the last matches, considered on set pieces, not good position on the defensive transition or defensive organization. So I hope that tomorrow we not go to play to draw. Okay, we're going to try to play to win. Of course, on the game we can lose, we can draw, we can win. But a team that's going to say, no, we go to play to draw, I think is more near to lose for sure. Because we need to put the mentality on the players that we must win. The game is to win. Okay, if we not win, at least that we feel that we give everything to win. But we know that's going to be very difficult.
As the coach said, we are trying our best. We are trying our best to get recovered as soon as possible. Tomorrow we will give our best.
How far do you know about the Terengganu side? How far do you know about Terengganu?
Sorry?
How far do you know about Terengganu side? How far do you know about the Terengganu team? How they play? How they play? About Terengganu? How much do you know about Terengganu?
We are preparing on the game like every other. We know what they want, how they play, so we will try to prepare as much as possible, give our best shot.
After 3 games, 2 goals as one out for you, right? 2 goals in Chopika.
Yes.
More to come from the league.
I will give my best. We will see.
Good morning. Selamat siang.
Selamat siang.
Hola. Hello.